Hi, I'm John Donoghue.
And I'm Patricia Hessnan. We both work as practitioners at the Ocean Healing Centre and School of Bioenergy here in Ireland. We'd like to share over 25 years' expertise and knowledge with you.
Everybody has the ability to help heal themselves and others. We'll be presenting and showing the 14 basic and essential techniques and information from our Level 1 Bioenergy Healing course. The great news is that everyone who purchases and attends this workshop will receive access to our complete Bioenergy Diploma courses, Levels 1, 2 and 3, absolutely free, as a bonus which features 90 video lectures.
Bioenergy healing has become one of the most powerful healing modalities available today. Many health problems, be it physical or emotional, can be related to energy blockages in the energy field of the body.
The physical body can be broken down into fundamental areas such as the organs, glands, bones and tissue. And at a cellular level, quantum physics shows us that fundamentally we are made of energy and comprised of energy fields.
We'll explain about the 7 main energy points in the body called chakras. And we'll also explain the connection between the emotional body and the physical body via these energy points.
You can learn how to feel and sense energy in your own 2 hands and take part in our question and answer sections. Our body, mind and spirit wants to be healthy, and with bioenergy you are helping to create the right environment for the body to heal itself. Our aim is to teach you how to work with these simple and unique energy healing techniques to help and assist the body's return to better health and well-being. We'd like to tell you how bioenergy changed our lives.
My background is mainly in nursing, where my initial training was in psychiatric nursing. I also worked in the field of general nursing. But 30 years ago, I was involved in a life-threatening tragedy. And despite making a recovery from my physical injuries, my emotional trauma of a near-death experience was controlling my everyday life by fears, anxiety, panic and phobias. I was introduced to energy therapy and the intensity of my fears decreased. What was once a controlling and crippling fear then became a manageable memory. This set me free to live my life again.
In the early 90s, I was involved in a serious car crash. I had numerous physical injuries and my fear of driving or being a passenger in a car was affecting my life and my work. A friend introduced me to bioenergy therapy. I was amazed at the effects. My physical injuries began to heal and the trauma and shock I had experienced began to decrease after a number of bioenergy sessions. We would be delighted if you could join us in this amazing Bioenergy Level 1 workshop, which will be over 2 weekends.
We're really looking forward to meeting you there.
If you have any questions at any time, don't forget you can get in touch with us via email. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you on the live Zoom Bioenergy workshop.